Okay, today we're going to create a whack-a-mole type review game that you can use on your smartboard. And we have a template already created, so we'll open that first, and you'll see a tiny URL address listed on the lesson plan. That's what you need to type in. So just open up your internet browser. I'm going to use Firefox. Use whichever browser you prefer, Chrome, Explorer, Safari, and type that address in. I've already got it copied. So it's tinyurl.com 9LJND97. Go ahead and connect to that, and here is the whack-a-mole game. It was already developed by Jamie Connolly, Jamie Donnelly had it on the Smart Exchange, and I just modified it a little bit to include answer slides. So we'll go ahead and open that. You want to download. Just go ahead and click download, and you can open it with your Smart Notebook. Click OK. And here it's loading, and here it is open. Now each of the moles here, each of the mole graphics represent a question, and each graphic is linked to a slide over here on that you can see in the little preview window over here. So let's start with our first question. If I click on this, you'll see that it's linked to this slide right here. Number 1 is up there, and now you can change this to whatever you want your first question to be. So just double click in the text box, delete the information in there, and change to your first question. And just delete out anything you don't need, change to your first question, click out of it. This graphic here, I just copied and pasted, and then this is going to link to the answer. So your students will first see the screen. They will touch or hit, or we're trying to get a ball that works, throw some kind of koosh ball at the screen. Let's say they get number 1, it comes to your first question, and now they can just push on the mole down here at the bottom of the screen, and it will give the answer to question 1. If you click the mole here, it will take you back to the home screen. So you're just going to continue to do that for each question. Now you need to change your second question. Just double click on the question, double click in the text box, delete the text here, and write your second question. Click outside of the text box, click on the mole down here. That will give where you put your answer. So you'll double click on the text box, delete the answer that's there, and answer. Just to test it to be sure, you can click on this mole. It takes it back to the home page, and you're ready to do your third question. It's pretty simple. And you delete this, click on your answer, change your answer, and this game is set up for just 17 questions. If you'd like to add more questions, it's really not difficult to do. It just really involves a bunch of copying and pasting. I won't get into all of that right now. If you have questions on how to add more questions to your game, just let me know and I'll walk you through that. But basically what you're going to do is just insert a page after your last question page, write your question, copy one of these moles from another page, paste it on your new page, and then you have to be sure you link it. So if you right click and you go to link, and then you want to link it to your answer slide. So you'll see all your slides down here, and let's just say that was your answer slide. You link it, you click OK, and then you type it, you make an answer slide, type in your answer, and then copy a mole and link it back to the home page. It's not difficult, it's just a few steps, but I can walk you through that in person if you have a little bit of trouble. Once you've added all your questions and all your answers and you've tested everything, just be sure you save it. Go up to File, Save, I can't save it because I opened it a different way, but you will, let's just come, you'll get a screen like this. You know, put it in the folder that you want to put it in, click save, and your game's saved to play with your classes. If you have any trouble, I'm happy to help. Just let me know.